Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by extracting flavor and balancing acidity. Zest 3 lemons for aromatic oils, then juice until you have about 3/4 cup. While you juice, make a simple syrup. Combine 1 cup sugar and 1 cup water, bring to a simmer until sugar dissolves. This ensures sweetness blends evenly. Once the syrup cools slightly, add it to your pitcher with the lemon juice. Make sure to have 3 cups cold water pre-chilled, so you can mix immediately and taste for balance. You now combine ingredients and fine-tune the lemonade. Pour the cooled simple syrup into the pitcher with lemon juice, then add 3 cups cold water and stir briskly to homogenize. Taste immediately. If too tart, add small increments of syrup, 1 tablespoon at a time. If too sweet, add more water. Once the balance feels bright and clean, consider additions like muddled mint or berries for complexity. Remember, these change perception of sweetness, so adjust accordingly. Keep stirring so flavor. You finish by serving and knowing what to do if it's off. Pour over ice with lemon slices for presentation and chill any extra in the fridge for up to 3 days. If you notice cloudiness or undissolved sugar, strain through a fine mesh and restir. That fixes texture without changing flavor much. If bitterness from pith sneaks in, dilute with 1/2 cup water per cup of lemonade and rebalance sweetness. This reduces harshness while preserving brightness. Always retaste before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.